Want to wake up every day with skin that looks effortlessly radiant? What if I told you that just a few simple changes in your daily routine could give you the glowing skin you've always dreamed of? Stick around because I'm going to reveal the ultimate daily routine that will transform your skin from dull to dazzling. Section 1. Morning Routine. Your morning routine sets the tone for your skin's health throughout the day. Here's what you need to do right after you wake up. 1. Start with hydration. Begin your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This not only hydrates your body but also flushes out toxins, giving your skin a fresh start. 2. Gentle cleanser. Cleanse your face with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. This removes overnight impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. 3. Vitamin C serum. Apply a vitamin C serum to brighten your skin and protect it from environmental damage. Think of it as your skin's morning shield. 4. Sunscreen is a must. Never skip sunscreen, even if it's cloudy outside. This is the most crucial step to prevent aging and maintain that youthful glow. Section 2. Midday Boost. As the day goes on, your skin can start to feel dull or dry. Here's how to keep it glowing throughout the day. 1. Hydrating mist. Use a hydrating mist to refresh and energize your skin. This keeps your complexion looking dewy and fresh, even during the busiest days. 2. Snack smart. Reach for a healthy snack like berries, nuts, or yogurt. These foods are rich in antioxidants and good fats, which support glowing skin from within. Section 3. Evening Routine. Evening time is when your skin repairs and regenerates. Follow these steps to wake up with radiant skin. 1. Double cleansing. Double cleanse your face to remove makeup, dirt, and pollutants. Start with an oil-based cleanser, then follow up with a gentle foaming cleanser. 2. Retinol Magic. Apply a retinol cream to boost collagen production and reduce the appearance of fine lines. This powerhouse ingredient works wonders overnight. 3. Moisturize and nourish. Lock in moisture with a hydrating night cream. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides that hydrate deeply. 4. Beauty sleep. Finally, get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Your skin regenerates the most during sleep, so make sure you're giving it the time it needs to renew. Section 4. Bonus Tips. And here are some quick bonus tips to elevate your routine. 1. Drink green tea. Incorporate green tea into your diet. It's packed with antioxidants that fight skin-damaging free radicals. 2. Use a silk pillowcase. Switch to a silk pillowcase to reduce friction on your skin, preventing wrinkles and hair breakage. 3. Weekly exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll be amazed at how your skin transforms. Remember, glowing skin isn't just about what you put on your face. It's about a holistic approach to health and wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips.